Wow, it's only about -5. Snowing as we speak. A lot of stuff in the back of the car.
Oh, which one are yours?
I think the green boots.
The green one are yours. Mine are red. Yours are green.
Yeah.
Let me just go here.
Let's fucking go!
Today is going to be freaking amazing. Haven't skied in over 10 years. So pretty much my first time again. Perfect weather. Going to be about 70 centimeters of snow today. Let's see what we can do.
Push it, push it. You have to.
See, you just got to go past the place.
This way.
We're going.
I need to leave now. Going late, Brent. No man, you're 30 minutes late.
Push it down. No.
No, I've got my plain lip ice because it's more hydrating.
More hydrating.
Thanks.
The Greek skiing weapon.
Oh, hello there.
I don't know.
You vomited.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
He's nervous.
Andrea!
Andrea! Photo, quick, quick, quick!
Photo up.
5 minuti, andiamo!
The longest one.
Yeah, these look like mine.
Those are you? Why are they so fucking long?
No, those are definitely not mine.
Nick's is the longest because his skis are the longest.
Ah, yes. Those are yours. Let's go.
Hey! Oh!
I don't know if I'm gonna make it there with my skis.
No, you will.
I just ate shit now.
I need to pull these stockings off, but I'm gonna have to do it in front of you all in this corner.
Absolutely treacherous conditions. So what's the technique there? Why are your goggles not on yet?
Oh no, because I'm hot.
Okay,
Sorry, man.
va bene.
Pizza, pizza.
Yeah, you see? No visible. It's gonna be awesome.
And just remember though, pizza, number 1. And just keep parallel when you're turning.
Very easy.
If you're feeling nervous, just
Now
sit
keep
down.
it going.
Just lie down. Just fall. Han! Pizza! Kyle!
Are we all in?
How's going? Now I'm gonna do the blue. You will be hard. That's why we are here.
Oh my god. Our little orange sauce. Oh, you know, you're not allowed to do that.
Exiting the
Okay,
gizmo.
careful when you get out. You're gonna slip.
Yes, this is windows.
Can you hold these for a sec?
Take the pizza.
Huh?
We're gonna go
Hold
up.
these for a sec. How do you get my hood on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's fucking do this.
You got it. We're gonna go right, huh?
See where those kids are there?
Yeah.
For a green slope. That's the first. Yeah, because it tastes you a little bit.
Is it beef?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, yes.
Oh! Bye, loser. Nice. Speed! I am speed!
Coming, coming.
Ah! Speed wobble! Woohoo! Wow. It's 10 to 9 a.m. We literally shoveled all of that snow away like 8 hours ago. So all of this we shoveled away, and all of this. It's crazy. That's heavy. This thing works pretty well though. It's also a good workout. It's pretty fun. Maybe not fun. Maybe fun is not the right word. No, these are both green.
Yeah.
Come on, hoppers, let's ride.
Yeah, son.
Whoa. We're gonna get this ski lift up. This forklift. We're gonna go right here. Oh, it's icy.
It's 9 p.m. on a fucking Friday.
Get the fuck, let's go.
You okay? You okay? No, it's fine. Pan. Look, it's going to flatten out. You've done this kind of steep before. You've done this kind of steep before. Nice.
I did it and I didn't fall.
Beautiful. Oh, we've been down here. But it's okay.
I'm alive. Could this be the night? See it turning back around. Make your way through the crowd. Sun sinks low as the stars appear. The way I feel as you're moving in. I've been waiting